Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process how to stop recording on disk network. Okay, so guys, we are going to discuss by each step. First of all, manage recording on a disk. If you manually started the recording, you can press the stop recording button on your remote control to halt the recording. Okay, and then recording in a progress on a disk. Locate the SOTA that's currently being recorded on your DVR. Look for the stop button on your remote control. Press the stop button when you are ready to stop the recording. Okay. After this, deleting a recorder. Press the DVR button on your remote control. Navigate to the program you want to delete. Select the program and proceed to delete from your device. Okay. Like here in this image, go to search, select program and then right click and delete this. Okay. So this is our all step. Thanks guys.